is my daughter Brianna making a cabinet. What sort of cabinet is it, Brianna? Sink cabinet. This is a sink cabinet for a kitchen. She's using her preferred screw gun. Sorry, bitch. Probably shouldn't have said that. Anyway. We'll be attaching the feet prior to putting the gables on. We're using 38mm screws or 35? 35mm screws. So there's 4 screws for every base, and the bases are to put the legs into. Brianna's trying to do it a lot faster than she normally would because she's been videotaped. And she's agreeing with me. Now she'll go and select the gable for the correct side. Because the leg bases overhang slightly, that gives her a lip to hold up the gable in the right position. And this also helps in the support of the cabinet. Notice that little pirouette because of the music. I'm getting yelled at. So we usually just make up the cabinets and then we'll come and put all the faces on later. So this video is just based on making a cabinet. Okay, so both the sides are on and we're about to put a base panel on. We use a 50mm screw at this point. So we'll probably put the hinge blocks on at this point, which are stored in the drawer directly below. You can notice that Breanna's done this before. They just push into the locating holes and are screwed on. Alright. So we're putting shelf pins in prior to taking to a job site or an assembled job just for somebody. So that's a completed cabinet. Thank you, Breanna. Take a bow. No, she'll just lift the cabinet off the bench.